this video I show you how you can make a full cutout on the IKEA Lack tabletop to build the sand art table featured in MAKE Magazine. Use the 3D printed tool to draw 4 cutting lines. With a 10mm or an 8mm drill, you can now create a hole on each of the 4 cutting lines using the same tool. Now guide the jigsaw into the drill holes and saw out the full cutout along the cut lines drawn. Now you can remove the top wall of the table and completely remove the cardboard honeycomb pattern that appears. On the lower wall of the table you create a hole which will later be used to feed the LED cables through. After you have sanded all the cut edges smooth with sandpaper, the tabletop is ready for further processing.